Hey there, amazing traveler. I am Delcare, your airport buddy. I am super excited to make your airport journey absolutely breeze easy. So you've landed. Let's start with arrival and exit at Delhi Airport. Once you step off the plane, follow the baggage signage. They're everywhere. At the baggage area, find your flight number on the screen. Note your belt number and collect your bags. Don't panic if you miss it. The screen rotates so your flight number will appear again. After collecting bags, look for exit signage. And phew, you're done. Wasn't that easy? Once you exit, you can opt for taxi services or for metro options. Look for the Airport Express line at Terminal 2 and 3 or the Magenta Line at Terminal 1. Or book a ride online and just approach the pickup point. See how simple it is. Disembark, collect bags, exit. Remember, Delcare friends are everywhere. Just reach out to any Delcare associate for help. Happy flying from Delhi Airport.